Nowadays, people are increasingly thinking about how to solve the manure problem in the livestock farm in an environment-friendly and sustainable way. At Xinjiang Hutubi dairy farm, cold regions of northwest China, a large-scale national biomethane demonstration project has been built. The manure from the dairy farm are not only treated, but also converted into renewable energy and a fertilizer using advanced anaerobic digestion and a biogas upgrading technology of HEEE. 1,100 tons of manure from 28,000 dairy cattle is transported to the biomethane plant by trucks every day. In pre-treatment system, the manure is diluted to homogenized by mixers, with impurities moved when passing through the screen, also preheated by heating device in tanks. The pre-treated substrate is pumped into the digesters to produce biogas. The 6 mesophilic digesters can work both in series and in parallel, producing 36,000 cubic meters per day biogas. The mixer mounted on the top of digester ensures the homogeneity of substrate. A small part of biogas is burned in the boiler to provide the necessary heat needed by mesophilic digestion process, which makes sure that the plant could stably operate thousands of years, even in -40 degrees centigrade in winter. Biogas generated from digesters is purified by HEEE's patented bio-desulfurization technology, with hydrogen sulfide removal rate up to 98%. Purified biogas is stored in the double membrane gas holder. Ultrasonic rangefinder, supporting blower, and pressure protector are equipped to ensure the safe operation of gas holder. The biogas is converted into biomethane by the membrane upgrading technology. The biomethane is compressed and injected into the CNG trucks in the gas station. The CNG is transported to neighboring city to deliver a clean fuel for the vehicles. The digestate is pumped to the solid-liquid separator to produce solid and liquid digestate. The solid digestate is transported to the fertilizer workshop to produce organic fertilizer, and the liquid digestate is stored in the lagoon as liquid fertilizer. The nutrient in the digestate are thus recycled back to the soil. This plant converts dairy manure into biomethane and high-value organic fertilizer in a sustainable way. During this process, the carbon emission is also reduced. The plant has been a significant demonstration project that can be replicated as reference case to treat agricultural waste, especially in cold regions.